Hey lovely people, welcome back to the TBS channel. My name is Zakia and in this video I'm going to take you through how I transformed this simple brown paper bag into a cute one and an affordable one. If I say affordable, I mean less than €1. So the backstory to this was I needed a gift bag to package some snacks I got for my guests for my son's dedication, and I couldn't find anything nice like I wanted, or the ones that were available were in the dimensions I was looking for. So I just thought to myself, what can I make? Can't I put together something myself? So I just got these brown paper bags from Amazon and these ribbons from Amazon. Just decided to put them together to make cute bags, and it worked. Everybody said they looked nice and were asking me where I got them from. So first things first I want to make sure the paper bag is well secured. So just going to fold the top of the paper bag like this. Okay, so just easy simple fold, and then make 2 holes on the folded part of the paper bag. 2 holes because the ribbon I got has these 2 strings I'm going to use to fasten the paper bag, right? So we make the first hole, and I'm going to try to make the holes in the center of the paper bag because I want the bowl to be in the center of the paper bag. So first hole here, and then I make the second hole right next to it. So there we have it, 2 holes, right? This is what it looks like in the front. So I pass the thin strings through the holes. So first one in and the second one goes in. Yeah, so this is what it looks like in the front, and this is what it looks like in the back. So now I need to secure it, to prevent it from opening. I have to secure it with a knot. So I'm going to do my first knot to make sure. So this is what it looks like with the first knot. This is what it looks like in the front. But I don't think 1 knot is enough to secure the bag, and I don't want the snacks coming out of the bags. So I'm going to go in with a second knot, but this time around I'm going to make the knot loose, a bit loose, so the guests can easily open it and then dig into whatever I put in the bag. So this is what it's going to look like in the back, so the guests can just, get hold of one of these and just pull it, and then it opens up. And this is what it looks like in the front. So really easy, simple, but now the paper bag looks more presentable and nice, attractive. And trust me, this is less than €1. I got 100 of these, of the brown paper bags, for less than €14, and the ribbon 100 pieces also for less than €9. I don't remember exactly what the prices were, but I'll put them in the description box. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. So until the next one, ciao.